What if I told you that every night while you sleep, your eyes are desperately trying to repair themselves, yet they're missing a crucial ingredient that could help restore your vision naturally? I'm talking about a hidden truth the eye care industry doesn't want you to know. While they profit from expensive surgeries, endless prescriptions, and designer eyeglasses, there's a secret that ancient cultures understood, but modern medicine has buried. Your body has a built-in vision repair system that activates during sleep. But here's the devastating reality. For most people over 50, every morning you wake up with slightly worse vision than the night before. That blurry sight creeping in, those dry, itchy eyes that feel gritty, the frustrating struggle to read restaurant menus or road signs at night. This isn't just normal aging. It's a sign your eyes are starving for very specific nutrients. Nutrients that activate your body's natural nighttime repair process. Think about it. When was the last time your doctor asked you what you eat before bed? When has an eye specialist explained how your diet affects your sleep and your eyesight? Probably never. Because there's no profit in teaching you how to heal yourself with food. But today, I'm going to change that. I'll reveal 5 everyday foods that, when eaten before bed, act like a nighttime repair crew for your eyes. We'll count down from number 5 to the single most powerful vision-restoring food, and I promise, number 1 will surprise you. Why sleep is the key to eye repair. Here's what your ophthalmologist never told you. The deepest and most important healing for your eyes happens during REM sleep. In those hours, blood flow to your retina increases by nearly 40%, and your body's cellular repair mechanisms kick into overdrive. But this miracle only works if your body has the right raw materials. It's like trying to rebuild a house without wood, nails, or tools. Without the right nutrients, your eyes simply can't repair the damage caused by blue light from screens, UV radiation, and daily oxidative stress. Big Pharma knows this. That's why they spend millions trying to convince you that vision loss is inevitable, that it's all genetics, and that surgery is your only option. But that's not true. Cultures that regularly consume the 5 foods I'm about to reveal have dramatically lower rates of age-related vision loss, cataracts, and glaucoma. In some places, 60 to 70% lower. The studies exist, but they've been buried because they threaten a multi-billion-dollar industry. Understanding what aging eyes really need. Once we pass 50, 3 critical changes hit our eyes. Absorption drops. Our ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamin A and carotenoids, decreases by 25%. These nutrients are the ones that protect your eyes most. Antioxidant levels fall. That leaves your eyes vulnerable to oxidative damage from screens, sunlight, and pollution. Circulation weakens. Blood vessels in the eyes stiffen, restricting oxygen and nutrients to the retina. And here's the problem. Generic multivitamins and expensive eye supplements don't get the job done. Your body absorbs nutrients from real food far more efficiently than from synthetic pills. That's why these 5 foods are so powerful. They deliver the nutrients your eyes need in their natural form, with all the cofactors your body recognizes and uses best. Food number 5, fresh ginger root, the silent inflammation fighter. Most folks think of ginger for upset stomachs or colds, but this humble root deserves a place on every senior's vision protection list. The biggest threat to your eyesight as you age isn't just time. It's chronic low-grade inflammation, silently damaging the microscopic blood vessels in your retina. This sets the stage for glaucoma, macular degeneration, and diabetic eye disease. A major study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that bioactive compounds in ginger, especially 6-gingerol and 8-gingerol, reduced eye inflammation markers by 27% in just 2 weeks. More effective than many prescription drugs, without the dangerous side effects. And timing is everything. Ginger works best at night. While you sleep, it lowers pressure on the optic nerve, improves microcirculation, and flushes out inflammatory waste. How to use it. 1 hour before bed, Steep a thumb-sized piece of organic ginger root in hot water for 10 to 12 minutes. Sip slowly. Or sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger into yogurt, cottage cheese, or a small salad at dinner. Viewers who've tried this often notice results within 2 to 3 weeks. Less eye fatigue at the computer, less morning puffiness, and a noticeable lightness behind the eyes. Food number 4, organic avocado, nature's sunglasses. For decades, diet fads unfairly demonized avocados for their fat content. But these healthy fats are exactly what aging eyes desperately need. Avocados contain more lutein than any other common fruit, almost double that of spinach. Lutein acts like internal sunglasses, creating a protective pigment in the macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. In a Journal of Nutrition study, adults over 50 who ate 1 avocado per day increased their macular pigment density by 38%, strengthening natural defenses against light damage that leads to macular degeneration. But avocados also tackle another major issue for seniors: chronic dry eye. It's not just a lack of moisture, the real problem is often poor tear quality. The outer layer of tears should contain special oils that prevent evaporation. With age, that oil layer weakens. The monounsaturated fats in avocado, especially oleic acid, restore this protective oil layer, improving tear stability and easing that sandy feeling many older adults experience. Best time to eat it: with dinner or as an evening snack. Pairing avocado's fats with other foods helps your body absorb lutein and vitamin A more effectively, giving your eyes the entire night to use those nutrients for repair. Think of it this way: you're not just eating a piece of fruit. You're investing in seeing your grandkids' smiles clearly, reading books without strain, and keeping the independence that comes with good vision. Food number 3, wild blueberries, the circulation engine. You've heard blueberries are good for vision, but here's the real reason: circulation. As we age, the tiny capillaries feeding our retina stiffen and narrow. These vessels, smaller than a human hair, are critical for delivering oxygen and nutrients to light-sensing cells. When circulation slows, those cells starve. They can't repair themselves, and over time, they die, leading to macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. Wild blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that boost blood flow to the retina by up to 40%, sometimes within hours. At Tufts University, seniors with early macular degeneration ate wild blueberries daily for 12 weeks. Imaging showed significant improvement in oxygen delivery to retinal cells, and 78% reported clearer vision and less eye fatigue. Even better, anthocyanins protect against digital eye strain, cutting it by up to 65%. If you spend time on phones, tablets, or computers, this is priceless protection. Best way to eat them: 3/4 to 1 cup of wild blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1 to 2 hours before bed. Mix into Greek yogurt, blend into a smoothie, or enjoy on their own. Many people report regaining night driving confidence within weeks of adding blueberries to their nightly routine. Food number 2, organic spinach, the defender of the macula. Spinach might seem too ordinary to be powerful, but don't overlook it. This simple leafy green contains the highest concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids your body can't make on its own. These compounds accumulate in the macula, acting like a natural filter against harmful blue light and UV rays. In fact, a massive review of over 200,000 people found that those who ate spinach regularly cut their risk of macular degeneration by 43%. That's nearly cutting your risk in half, with one of the cheapest, most accessible foods in every grocery store. Best way to eat it: lightly sauté spinach in olive oil, or blend into a nighttime smoothie with avocado, blueberries, and ginger. Fat helps your body absorb these protective nutrients. 1 cooked serving of spinach delivers more bioavailable lutein than any other food on the planet. Eat it in the evening, and your body has all night to incorporate it into retinal tissue, Food number 1. Organic egg yolks, the complete vision restorer. This one will shock you. For decades, we were told egg yolks were dangerous, too much cholesterol, bad for the heart, best to avoid. That campaign of misinformation scared millions away from one of the most powerful vision-restoring foods on Earth. Here's the truth. Egg yolks contain the most bioavailable source of lutein and zeaxanthin known. Your body absorbs these carotenoids from egg yolks up to 5 times better than from vegetables. The yolk's natural fats act as a perfect delivery system. But that's not all. Yolks also provide zinc, which carries vitamin A to the retina for night vision, vitamin D, which protects against macular degeneration and diabetic eye disease, choline, which strengthens nerve connections between the eyes and brain, omega-3s, reducing retinal inflammation, sulfur compounds, supporting glutathione, the master antioxidant that shields delicate eye tissue. At the University of Massachusetts, adults who ate 2 whole eggs daily for 5 weeks saw lutein levels rise 142% and zeaxanthin 92%. No supplement in the world matches that. Within 3 weeks, scans showed visible improvements in macular pigment density. Best time to eat them: dinner, scrambled, hard-boiled, or in an omelet with spinach. Eating them before bed ensures your eyes use every nutrient during their natural overnight repair cycle, putting it all together. Now imagine this: waking up with eyes that feel refreshed instead of dry and heavy, reading in dim light without straining or holding the book farther away, driving at night confidently without being blinded by headlights. This isn't wishful thinking. It's your body's natural repair system, fully supported by the right nutrition. These 5 foods work in synergy. Ginger fights inflammation. Avocado provides healthy fats for absorption. Blueberries improve circulation. Spinach delivers concentrated protectors. Egg yolks complete the repair system with unmatched bioavailability. You don't need overpriced supplements, risky surgeries, or endless prescriptions. The solution may already be sitting in your kitchen. Now let me ask you, what's your biggest concern about your vision right now? Is it night blindness, persistent dry eyes, trouble reading, or simply wanting to maintain your independence as you age? Share your thoughts. I read every single comment because your experience matters, and we're in this together. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.